The world continues to turn at the same pace, yet it feels like everything is getting faster. That's because the world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and deliveries are almost always completed on time. Mobility requires a solid foundation. Patients get a new lease of life. New ideas are given serious consideration, and young people become wide-eyed in amazement. But who makes all this possible? Jungheinrich provides the solution. Our decades of experience ensure that we keep setting new standards in the warehouse. With tailor-made solutions, perfectly adapted to the goals and specific conditions of your company. Jungheinrich provides reliable and precise solutions from a single source, every step of the way. From planning and configuration, development and implementation, to the handover of the turnkey solution. Even after successful completion, we are always by your side. From familiarization, ongoing maintenance and assistance, to 24/7 service and support. This is how Jungheinrich guarantees increasing efficiency and productivity in intralogistics, as well as maximum satisfaction among our customers, and their customers in turn. Small and medium-sized companies benefit from our expertise, as well as global companies. Put your trust in Jungheinrich. We provide solutions. Jungheinrich.